Welcome to Hover. This video will give you a quick walkthrough of Hover's Design Studio. To access Design Studio for your home, you will first need to capture photos of your property that your contractor has invited you to take. If you haven't yet captured photos, please refer back to the text message and email that your contractor originally sent to you, inviting you to download the Hover app and take photos of your property. Then, follow the instructions to complete the photo capture process by clicking the link in either the email or the text message. If you can't find that email or text message, ask your contractor to resend the invite. Once you have completed the capture, you'll receive an email from Hover that your 3D model is ready. All you need to do is click on the link in that message to access the 3D model in Design Studio. Or you can simply log back into your Hover app and access your 3D model in Design Studio from your property list. Just click on the property and then select Design in 3D. In Design Studio, you'll have the ability to quickly see what different materials and colors look like on different components of your home, like the walls, roof, trim, windows, and more. To change any aspect of your home, just click on one of the icons at the bottom of your screen. Let's check out different options for the walls. First, select the type of material that you want to be visible. Next, select the style or shape of that material type. Then, select a color from the different options that are available. As you make different selections, you'll see those options appear on your screen. Let's check out some different options for the roof. First, select the type of material that you want to be visible. Then, select a color from the different options that are available. Zoom in and rotate the model to see the changes in more detail and from different angles. Let's check out different options for trim. Click on the trim button and select from the different color options that are available. Let's check out different options for windows. First, select the type of window. Then, select the grid style. Then, select a color from the different options that are available. Once you're done designing, you can share your changes with friends and family to get a second opinion, and finally, you can share your design preferences directly with your contractor to give them a more clear idea of what you're looking for your home improvement project, which will save time getting you a quote. And that's it. It's that simple. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Hover's support team through the app. Thanks for watching.